What if you turned fear into empowerment? Today, I'll share my first Brazilian wax experience. I hesitated for weeks about this decision. Was it really necessary? Was it worth it? The pain and awkwardness kept me hesitant. Finally, I booked the appointment, heart racing. Walking into the salon felt daunting. The first strip stung, but it ended quickly. As I left, I wondered, was it worth it? After my first session, I learned the truth. My fears were mostly myths about waxing. It doesn't make hair grow thicker, that's a myth. Each session got easier than the last. The benefits: smoother skin, less irritation, no razor burn. It became an enjoyable self-care ritual for me, thinking of trying it. Here are my tips. Exfoliate 24 hours before to prevent ingrown hairs. Skip the lotion, as clean skin helps wax stick. Aftercare is essential. Use aloe gel, wear loose clothes. Choose a licensed esthetician for your safety. Ask about hygiene, wax type, and double dipping. What started as cosmetic turned into a confidence builder. It shifted from a chore to a confidence ritual. Stepping out of your comfort zone can feel scary, but it leads to amazing transformations in self-care. So give yourself permission to flourish and grow. Thanks for joining me. Like and share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more self-care and confidence tips.